Alright students, welcome back to important questions in surface areas and volumes. This is question number 5. Let's read the question. Two identical cubes of volume 27 centimeter cube each are joined together end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Let's look at the diagram. Let's say these two are the cubes that we are dealing with. Let's say edge length is A each, and you are joining them end to end so that the length becomes twice of the original one, A plus A. But the look at the breadth and height, they are not going to change. They will continue to be A as before. So this is a cuboid you are creating. For this cuboid, we are supposed to calculate total surface area. Okay, let's get into the solution. So first concept is volume of a cube. V is A into A into A cube. V equal to A cube. But volume is given, we need to calculate A, edge length. So A equal to cubed root of V, otherwise V power 1 by 3. And they had given V as 27 centimeter cube. So if you substitute 27 power 1 by 3, cubed root of 27 is 3. 3 centimeters is going to be edge length there. So we got the edge length. Now let us go to the surface area. If you look at the cuboid, it has got 6 surfaces, base and top. They'll have equal area. Left wall and right wall, they'll have the equal area, and then front wall and back wall, they'll have equal area. So that's why you have the two times of L into B base plus B into H wall plus H into L the front wall as well as back wall, because the 2 comes there. So this is the formula. Surface area of the cuboid, you need to remember 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now let us substitute there. L is to A, but B and H will continue to be A as well. So if you substitute, you get 2A into A, 2A squared, A into A squared, A into 2A, 2A squared, 2A squared plus 2A squared, 4A squared, plus A squared will give you 5A squared. This 5A squared is multiplied with 2 will get you 10A squared. That is going to be the result. Now let us substitute A value. We have calculated as 3 centimeters. So 10 into 3 centimeter whole squared. So 3 squared becomes 9. 9 into 10 becomes 90. 90 centimeter square is the area of the cuboid that we have found. With that, the solution is complete. Thank you very much.